You may fail even if your resume passes because of this problem. Here is something most people miss when it comes to resume. It might be great and even it can get you interview call, but that is not enough, because the moment interviewer points to a statement and says, "Tell me about this," you have to explain with conviction. And that's where so many people stumble. They pause, they fumble, they give half answers, and the confidence drops. That's why I use something called as resume recall test. Simple idea. Pick up any line from your resume and say it out loud, just like someone asked you about it. If you can explain it clearly, great. If you can't, that means an indication that you need to fix it. Not just the sentence, the story behind it. Because in interviews, they don't care what you wrote, they care how well you remember it and how clearly you can talk about it. Take care of your career through your resume.